Hi everyone, it's Cars Guide Do It Yourself. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip how to replace front wiper blades in Volkswagen Golf 6th generation, but same procedure will work with other Volkswagen Audi group cars. VW invented smart way to replace front wipers. It's because, as you can see, standard position is under bonnet line, and if you try to replace them in that position it will be very uncomfortable. So let's get started. First, get in the car and turn ignition on. Then turn ignition off. After that, you have to push downwards wiper stalk control, and wipers will go to service position. Now you have to push inside locking pin and in same time raise wiper blades up. It will slide out. Take cloth towel to secure front windscreen and slowly lift wiper arm down. Do same thing with second wiper. Now you can compare new wipers with old one. They should be same length. Each wiper blade's producer have their own mounting clips. Compare with old one which will be the right one and install it on wipers. Now you can install wipers on car. Raise wiper arm and slide down wiper blade until you hear a click. Same thing with second one. I don't want to run new wiper blades on dry windscreen, so I sprayed it down with soapy water. Time to turn off service position. Get in the car, turn ignition on and push downwards wiper stalk control. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. Job done. Thanks for watching.